Hello, good evening, one and all. Welcome back to physics class. Today's lecture number 4, chapter 9, optics. Yesterday, we have discussed the rule for how to get image formed by spherical mirror. 5-6 rules we have discussed. So once again, let me recapitulate that rule. थोड़ा सा revise कर लेते. When the incident ray parallel to principal axis, after reflection, it will pass through focus. Or when the ray of incident ray passing through focus, after reflection, it will become parallel to principal axis. Third rule हमने देखा, when the incident ray strike at the pole of the mirror, so it will reflect, it will obey the law of reflection, right? Fourth rule हमने देखा, when the ray of light passing through center of curvature, it will retrace the same path along the same path after reflection, because every ray passing through center of curvature and striking on the spherical mirror, it will act as a normal. Okay, so in that case, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, that is 0. That's why. Okay, so now let's begin with the different position of the object when it is kept in front of convex or concave mirror. So हम पहले देखेंगे image formed by concave mirror. Okay, so give the first title, image formed by concave mirror. Concave mirror also called as converging mirror, which converge the light, that already I have shown the demonstration yesterday. In that first case, when an object kept at infinity, right? For example, the sun rays, when the sun rays falls on this concave mirror, right? तो अभी मान लो ये जो ट्यूब है उसको मैं इन्फिनिटी कंसिडर करता हूँ, राइट, सोर्स ऑफ लाइट, एंड जस्ट सी, so there is a formation of small dot. See here, the light get converged. So that diagram we have to draw here. So first let's draw the concave mirror. See, whenever you draw concave mirror by using geometric box, by using the rounder, right? So take the metallic pointer. Now my rounder is this. I am using this rounder. See, this is my rounder, so that I can focus the center of curvature. So see, this is my left hand where I am keeping, that will be my center of curvature, and this will be my see. Okay, fine. So now fix this point where the metallic pointer, that will be the center of curvature. Now after this, just draw the straight line passing through it. So this will be center of curvature. This will be center of curvature. This is the pole of the mirror, and बीच में जो है in between. Now this my length is how much it is, 30 plus 36. Okay, so 18 to the 36. So I will mark around 8, or tentatively I am taking here, it is F. This is my focus point, right? Now if you are drawing like this, what kind of mirror it indicate? कुछ mirror, कौन सा mirror है, convex है, concave है, right? तो बताना जरूरी. So to draw the concave mirror, right? So just make this portion shaded. This is painted part of the mirror. This is the painted part of the mirror. You have to take small things here in care, right? With care, so that you should not lose any marks. Now see students, first we will take the incident ray parallel to principal axis. Now when the object is kept at infinity, so the rays are parallel to principal axis. So these are the incident rays from both the sides. Okay, and the line passing through center of curvature and pole of the mirror, this is act as the principal axis. Okay, so these are the two incident rays I have taken. Now the incident ray which is parallel to principal axis, let's apply the first condition, first rule. If the incident ray parallel to principal axis, after reflection, how it will travel? It will pass through focus. Okay, so it will pass through focus. So just draw like this straight line. passing through focus. Understand? And this ray is, so here both the rays are parallel to principal axis. So after reflection they will meet at a point on the principal axis, okay, where the light get converged, and this is what the location of image. This is what the location of image when the object is kept at infinity. Okay, this diagram may not be given in the textbook, but we are going to draw all the diagram because they have given the table. So to verify the table, right, so we should draw the diagram. Now here the object distance, right, so object distance represented by symbol u. Here the object distance, object is kept at infinity, so we can write here u is equal to infinity. Now where we are getting image? Image will at focus. So image distance v is equal to f, which is at focal length, focal point. Image will form at focus. So this distance will be the image distance v, okay, and this distance, that is the object distance. Object distance means the distance between object and pole of the mirror, okay. Now what are the characteristics, what nature of image you will get when the object is kept at infinity? Any idea, any guessing? Yes, it will be very diminished, small image will form, right, and it is real image. The characteristic for this real image. Why it is real image? Because reflected rays are actually meet at a point on the principal axis. They are not appear to meet, they are actually meeting, and whenever reflected rays are actually meet at point F at focus, so whatever the image will form, that will be the real image. What about the size of the image as compared to the object? Definitely it will be very small. Now the sun is so big than earth, but when we are focusing the sunlight on the concave mirror, see, you can do this experiment at home also. Just take any kind of concave mirror and just hold in front of the sun and just focus that, okay. तो यहाँ पे आप ऐसे हाथ पे भी कर सकते हो, राइट, जो भी लाइट है, तो क्या होगा कि एक लाल ऐसा डॉट दिखेगा आपको, लाल स्पॉट दिखेगा. Sometime your hand will also burn. Why? Because the light get converged at one point. Even paper can burn. You can burn the paper also with the help of this concave mirror because the light get converged. Okay, so that image is very diminished, highly diminished, point image, highly diminished, highly diminished point image. Okay, and it is always inverted. इसमें inverted ही मिलेगा हमेशा. Erect image you will get only one case, that we will see later on. So mostly all the position of object in front of concave mirror, okay, so we will get the inverted image only, real and inverted, except one case. That case we will take at the last. Real image, highly diminished, inverted. Now location, where we find this location? Location is at focus, at focus. So here u is equal to infinity and v is equal to focal length. If while solving numerical, okay, if this is not given, you have to assume this. आपको consider करना पड़ेगा. अगर object infinity पे है, तो u will be infinity. If the object is at infinity, the image will form at focus only. आपको consider करना पड़ेगा. ये सब rule आपको मालूम करना पड़ेगा. Now what about the magnification? Now there is one formula for magnification. The magnification is image distance upon object distance. So image distance is focus upon object distance is infinity, 0. Very diminished, no magnification at all. कुछ भी magnification नहीं मिलेगा आपको, 0 मिलेगा. This is what the formula. Okay. दूसरा formula है magnification का, that is represented by m, which is equal to the height of the object, sorry, height of the image upon height of the object, h2 upon h1. That is the height of image, divided by height of object. So we have two formula for magnification. So every diagram we have to write all these characteristics. Type of image, whether it is real or virtual, the size of image, diminished or magnified, then inverted or erect, and the location, okay, and the magnification. So these 5-6 parameter you are supposed to use. Understand? So this concept can be used wherever we require the concentrated light. Okay, that we can use it. So just take a screenshot. Now the next second diagram. Second diagram is when an object is kept beyond center of curvature. अभी ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर है तो बियॉन्ड मतलब यहाँ पे आएगा समवेयर हियर. ओके, सो लेट्स ड्रॉ द डायग्राम अगेन. See, you have to draw with the proper measurement. Take this measurement properly, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, right? And locate this point. This point is C, because it makes easier to locate the position. Now draw the straight line. Fine. So this will be the pole of the mirror. This is the concave mirror. This indicates that outer surface is painted, inner surface is reflecting surface, and in between there will be the focus. यहाँ पे focus आएगा आपका, principal focus which we call. Now keep the object beyond center of curvature. तो यहाँ पे आएगा object. So keep the object here, and while drawing this diagram, okay, take care that this object should not be bigger than this half of the aperture. This is called as aperture. The exposed part of the mirror is called as aperture, which we already discussed a lot in the earlier case. Now use the first condition. First rule क्या है? Take the incident ray parallel to principal axis. Okay. So here this is the principal, this is the incident ray, first incident ray. Then after reflection it will pass through focus. Focus में से जाएगा. तो just draw like this. Okay. So this is the first reflected ray. Show the arrow. See, whenever you are drawing the diagram, please mention the arrows. The arrow indicate that from where the rays are coming and where the rays are going. Fine. Now in the second case, I can take two possibilities. I can take the incident ray striking at the pole of the mirror or incident ray passing through focus. I will prefer here to take the incident ray passing through focus, क्योंकि मुझे पता है जो रे फोकस में से जा रहा है रिफ्लेक्शन के बाद it will become parallel to what? Principal axis. So simple. So just do like this. So this is the incident ray. See, black color line indicate that incident ray. Okay, and let us find this reflected ray. So our condition is wherever the reflected rays are actually meet here. कहाँ पे मिल रहे हैं? These both the reflected rays, red color reflected rays are meeting at this point. So this will be the location of image. हमेशा याद रखना कि image कहाँ पे form होगी? The image will form when the two reflected rays are meeting at a point. Right? Now here these both the reflected rays meet at this point. So and the image will be the erect or inverted. Of course ये arrow ऊपर है तो ये arrow नीचे आएगा. Right? Now what is that? What you find the difference here in the image? the difference is the image become diminished, छोटी हो गई, देखो यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट बड़ा है और ये छोटा हो गया. ओके, now let's write the characteristic. So what are the characteristics? The image is real. Why it is real? These reflected rays are actually meet at this point. Okay, so it is real image. What about size? It becomes small, diminish. What about the location? When the object is kept beyond center of curvature, okay, the image will form in between C and F. हमेशा याद रखना, ये सब पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में. आपको may not ask directly to draw the diagram, but in the MCQ multiple choice question में आपको पूछा जाएगा. When the object is kept beyond center of curvature, what will be the location of image? Yes, the location of image will be in between center of curvature and principal focus. Okay, so image will form at in between center of curvature and principal focus. Okay, and it is inverted, multi-image inverted. What about magnification? The magnification will be, now see, this is height h1, yeah, height object is h1, image height h2. Okay, so here the h2 less than h1, right? h2 less than h1. What about object distance? This is the object distance, ये object distance है. Okay, और ये image distance है. This is image distance from the pole of the mirror. हमेशा यहाँ से लेने का, pole से लेने का. This will be image distance. So here the u greater than v. Then what is the formula for magnification? M is equal to h2 upon h1. So this indicate that अगर h2 छोटा है तो it is less than 1. Okay, so which is less than 1. The magnification, that is m less than 1, which is smaller than object, or m is equal to v upon u. Okay, but v less than u, so it's also m less than 1. So these are the characteristic for the image formed by concave mirror when it is kept beyond center of curvature. ओके, अभी क्या करना है हमको, धीरे धीरे ऑब्जेक्ट को वी हैव टू शिफ्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट टुवर्ड द मिरर. अभी हमने पहले क्या लिया था, इन्फिनिटी पे ऑब्जेक्ट रखा. नाउ वी केप द ऑब्जेक्ट बियॉन्ड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. अभी सी पे रखेंगे, देन वी विल सी द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, देन वी विल ब्रिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट हियर इन बिटवीन सी एंड एफ, देन वी विल कीप द ऑब्जेक्ट एट फोकस, एंड एट द लास्ट वी विल कीप द ऑब्जेक्ट इन बिटवीन फोकस एंड पोल ऑफ द मिरर. वेरी सिंपल, बहुत ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड द ट्रिक्स. कोई नहीं, आई विल गो स्लोली so that you can understand properly. So please have a screenshot. Now third case, again I have to draw. Actually I was not supposed to rub it. Can you leave it? This is the concave mirror. This is the pole of the mirror. Take this point C. This is the entire principal axis. Okay. Now look at the principal focus. Now we'll keep the object at F. So to get the image formed by object kept at F, I must know exact the radius of curvature. मुझे exact radius of curvature लगेगा. This is the 7. Okay. So it is 37, 19, 18 point something. Okay, fine. So I will take somewhere here. This is my principal focus. Exactly mid of this. Okay, because F is equal to, focal length is equal to half of the radius of curvature for mirror, spherical mirror. Fine. अभी now we will keep the object at center of curvature. So draw the exact vertical line, right? I will take this much. Use the same rule here. The first ray will be parallel to principal axis. So let's draw it and ensure that this line must be straight. It should not be tilted. अगर tilted आ गया तो आपका लोकेशन बराबर नहीं आएगा. So this is the incident ray parallel to principal axis. After reflection it will pass through focus. Okay, after reflection it will pass through focus. So right, so this is the first reflected ray. Now the second incident ray passing through focus. So while drawing the diagram you all have to be very careful. No free hand diagram to be allowed in exam. जब भी आप रे डायग्राम ड्रॉ करोगे प्लीज़ यूज़ ज्योमेट्रिक बॉक्स. आपको ज्योमेट्रिक बॉक्स यूज़ करना है, राइट. नो फ्री हैंड डायग्राम अलाउड, नहीं तो मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे आपको. फाइन. अब यहाँ पे देखो, थोड़ा इमेज शुड गेट हियर. यहाँ पे इमेज मिलना चाहिए, राइट. सो समथिंग वेंट रॉन्ग हियर. So just draw it. It should be, and so I should get image at this point at C. यहाँ पे मुझे इमेज मिलना चाहिए. So whenever you will take proper measurement, right? So image will get here at the center of curvature. So I don't have the proper scale and all, right? So but थोड़ा सा हो गया गड़बड़ कुछ तो. But it should come at the center of curvature. आप जब ड्रॉ करोगे तो take care that you have to do this practice by taking proper measurement. तो ये जो point of intersection of reflected rays है, this point of intersection of reflected rays should meet at the center of curvature. So here the size of object and size of image will be same. Okay. And what about the other characteristic? The other characteristic, the image is real. Okay. Image is real image. Then inverted. What about the size of the image? Of same size as that of object. And what is the location? जहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट रखा था वहीं पे इमेज मिलेगी, राइट. सो एट द सेम, एट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ओनली, एट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, एट द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, राइट. तो ये सब ये क्यों लिख रहे हैं इतना डिटेल में? क्योंकि इसके बेस में न्यूमेरिकल आने वाला है. आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि whenever the object is kept at particular thing at a particular location, so that the image will get of the same size. Image और object है same है, तो मतलब what should be the location of image, location of object? Definitely the object should kept at center of curvature. And where will get the image? At the same place, at the center of curvature only. Fine. After that, what is the magnification? Small m. Small m is, now you see here, h1 is equal to h2. तो यहाँ पे दूसरा क्या है? h1, height of the object is same as the height of the image. What about the object distance? The object distance is same as that of the image distance. U is equal to v, or v is equal to u. Both are same. So magnification will be m is equal to h2 upon h1, which is equal to v upon u, which is equal to 1. That is m is equal to 1 for the, it means there is no magnification. It will be the same size of image as that of the object. So this is the third diagram. ये third diagram है हमारा, ये लिख लो यहाँ पे टाइटल. When an object kept at C. This is the third diagram, when an object kept at C. So just take a screenshot. चलो अभी फटाफट ड्रॉ कर लेते नेक्स्ट डायग्राम. Now I will not redraw the length mirror here. I will keep the same, just rubbing this. when an object is kept between C and F, between center of curvature and focus. So let's keep the object in between center of curvature and focus. So I will take the object like this. Now use the first rule, incident ray parallel to principal axis. So first incident ray, then after reflection it will pass through focus. After reflection it will pass through focus. Okay, then you can take here incident ray which strike at the pole of the mirror or passing through focus also. We will take the same rule, passing through focus only. Now the this is the incident ray. I am supposed to draw with the black. The black ray is incident ray. Okay. Then the reflected ray will be red color, which become parallel to principal axis. So the reflected rays are meeting at this point. So point of intersection, the point of intersection of the reflected rays will be the location of image. Okay. So let's draw this. So here when the object is kept in between center of curvature and focus, we have taken the two incident ray parallel to principal axis. After reflection pass through focus will meet at this point, and the second incident ray, यहाँ पे arrow दिखाना है, second incident ray which is passing through focus, after reflection it become parallel to principal axis. Okay. Now what will the characteristic of the image? See, here object is smaller than the image, so magnified image मिली. Second, it is inverted, and the reflected rays are actually meet. So when the reflected rays are actually meet, that will be the real image. Now the fourth point, location. We observe the image beyond center of curvature. तो अगर ऑब्जेक्ट ये दोनों के बीच में रखा है तो इमेज हमेशा बियॉन्ड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर ही मिलेगी. दिस आर द स्टैंडर्ड लोकेशन, राइट. वी कैन नॉट चेंज इट. प्रैक्टिकली आप लैब में चेक कर सकते हो, राइट. उसके बाद मैग्निफिकेशन विल बी ग्रेटर दैन 1, m will greater than 1. So let's write the characteristic for this. So it is real, inverted, magnified, sorry, magnified, beyond center of curvature, beyond C, and which is inverted, magnified, beyond center. Now magnification, here H1 less than H2. What about the object distance? This is object distance, okay, and this is the image distance. So here U less than V, So magnification is equal to H2 upon H1, okay, which is m greater than 1, okay, or m is equal to V upon U, also greater than 1, right. So यहाँ पे that is m greater than 1. So these are the characteristic. ये आपको याद रखना है. क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा कि मैग्निफिकेशन क्या होगा. when the object is kept between C and F, what is the magnification? So it is greater than 1. Okay, so take a screenshot. Now next position of the object is, अभी ऑब्जेक्ट को धीरे धीरे मिरर के तरफ शिफ्ट करना है. अभी यहाँ पे रखा है. अभी नाउ विल कीप द ऑब्जेक्ट एट फोकस. अभी फोकस के पास रखेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट. Now the next diagram is, कौन सा था? This was 4th I think. Now 5th. When an object is kept at focus, okay, that is object distance is focal length. Now this is center of curvature. So mark this point just see, and in between दोनों के बीच में मैं tentatively ले लेता हूँ. This is focus. Okay, midpoint of this. And show that it is concave mirror. Now keep the object at focus. Keep the object at focus. Now here I will not take incident ray passing parallel to principal axis. So what I will prefer? I will prefer to take the incident ray which are striking at the pole of the mirror. Okay. So one ray will ray coming from object. So this is the first incident ray. Okay. Now you have to use a protractor now for measuring the angle, right? So whatever the angle of incidence made here, this is the angle of incidence. Now why this is angle of incidence? Because the line passing through center of curvature and striking on any point of the spherical mirror, it will act as a normal. वो हमेशा normal रहेगी. For this tangent, यहाँ पे जो tangent अगर draw करोगे आप, तो for this tangent, so this line principal axis will be perpendicular to this tangent drawn at point P at pole of the mirror. So this line principal axis will act as a normal for this incident ray. So this will be the angle of incidence. Now draw the angle of reflection, right? So that is the reflected ray, because we have seen that when the ray incident ray strike at this point, it will obey the law of reflection. So student, draw the reflected ray by taking the same measurement. थोड़ा मेरा कम ज़्यादा हो सकता है. Okay, fine. This is the first reflected ray. Now the second incident ray I will take here, that is passing through center of curvature. That will pass through center of curvature. Okay. So let's take the incident ray passing through center of curvature. So this center of curvature. So this is the incident ray. Show the arrow. Arrows are very important, my dear student, because if you are not showing the arrow while in the ray diagram, you will not get full marks for that particular question. So please don't forget to mark the arrows. So this is the second incident ray which is striking at this point. Now as I told you that the ray coming from center of curvature, it also normal to this point. ये पॉइंट को हमेशा नॉर्मल रहेगी. यहाँ पे टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करो. So this angle is 90 degree here with the tangent drawn at this point. So what is the angle of incidence here? यहाँ पे angle of incidence कितना होगा? I may ask the question in exam. If the ray coming from center of curvature striking on any point on the spherical mirror or on the aperture, any point, right? So what will be the angle of incidence? So angle of incidence will be here how much? I is equal to 0. And as it obeys the law of reflection on every point on the mirror. Fine. So if the angle of incidence is 0, the angle of reflection is also 0. So it will retrace. So reflected ray will return back, bounce back in the same path. वही रास्ते से वापस आएगा वो. Okay. So I can draw like this here. इधर से आ रहा है and I am extending further. मैं उसको आगे extend कर रहा हूँ. So this is what the reflected ray. Okay, this is what the reflected ray. These directions. Now see these two reflected rays. Will they meet at somewhere else? Absolutely not. We are just assume that these reflected rays will meet at infinity. कहाँ पे मिलेंगे? Infinity पे मिलेंगे. Okay. So let's write the characteristic of the image formed by when the object kept at focus. So the first characteristic that it is to be the real image. Okay, it is real image and it is inverted. What about the size of the image? Highly magnified. Okay. Then location at infinity. Image will form at infinity. So we can write here V is equal to infinity and U is equal to focal length. Right. Now magnification, M is equal to H2 upon H1. Okay. But H2 is very greater than H1. H2 is very greater than H1. Okay. So the magnification will be infinite magnification, highly magnified. So these are the characteristic of the image formed by this position of an object when the object is kept at focus. अभी ये कॉन्केव मिरर में लास्ट डायग्राम है, दैट इज व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट इन बिटवीन फोकस एंड पोल ऑफ द मिरर. वो डायग्राम अभी हमको ड्रॉ करना है. सो आई विल जस्ट ड्रॉ हियर ओनली. So take the object kept in between focus and pole of the mirror. So I am keeping the object here. Here also you can take any two incident rays. Choice is yours. आपकी choice है. Here I will take the incident ray passing through center of curvature. ये पहला मैं लूँगा. Second incident I will take striking at the pole of the mirror. Same incident ray will take. Okay. So let's draw it. इसको थोड़ा इधर लिखना पड़ेगा डायग्राम. ठीक, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. So let's take the first incident ray which is passing through center of curvature से जा रहा है, यहाँ से आ रहा है. Then second incident ray striking at the pole of the mirror. Now let's draw the reflected rays. So we'll take the first reflected ray for this. It will retrace the same path. वही जाएगा, रास्ते से आएगा वो. and for this but both the reflected rays are rapid to come from the point behind the mirror. ये ऐसा एक कंडीशन है जिसमें हमको वर्चुअल इमेज मिलेगा. We will get the virtual image when the object is kept between focus and pole of the mirror. So I will extend this reflected ray in the backward direction. पीछे के साइड में मैं उसको extend करूँगा, right? So this red line indicate that it is the reflected ray. Okay, so you are allowed to do the practice for this. सबको practice करना है and image will form highly magnified. So just extend this in the backward direction. This is the principal axis. Now you will get the image here. And show this with the dotted line, because the reflected rays are appear to meet that point. Reflected rays are appear to meet at that point. यहाँ पे मिलने के वो ऐसा लग रहा है हमको, वहाँ पे मिल रहे ऐसा. Okay, so let's write the characteristic for this diagram. So here, what are the characteristics of image formed by this position? The image is erect, not inverted. It is erect. It is real or virtual? It is virtual because the reflected rays are appear to meet at this point. Reflected rays are appear to meet at this point. So it is virtual. What about the size of the image? See, this is the object very small and this image is very large. So it is highly magnified. Highly magnified. And beyond the mirror. Location beyond the mirror. What about the magnification? M greater than 1. Okay, because H2 greater than H1 and here V upon U. Okay, it will get at the law beyond this mirror, right? So here this is very small, right? So here V greater than U, so M greater than 1, highly magnified. So these are the characteristic of image formed by when the object is kept at focus. See student, this is the only case in concave mirror where we are getting the virtual image and erect image and magnified image. Rest of the all position you will get inverted, real, okay, and maybe magnified or diminished image. Okay, now let's see that how we get the image formed by convex mirror. Now we have discussed this. इसका जो चार्ट है वो चार्ट आपको एज अ होमवर्क घर से बनाना है. आपको व्हाट्सएप पे इसका सब जो भी कागज़ पे लिख के क्या क्या लिखना है आपको, पोजीशन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, टाइप ऑफ इमेज, लोकेशन ऑफ इमेज, मैग्निफिकेशन, सब कुछ जो भी टेबल है बनाने का अच्छी तरह. और उसमें ये 6 डायग्राम और कॉन्वेक्स का 2 डायग्राम, ऐसे 6 + 2 8. तो 8 आपको वो टेबल बना के मुझे सबमिट करना है एज अ असाइनमेंट, एज अ होमवर्क. एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ ऑल दिस डायग्राम वंस अगेन ऑन द पेपर. पेपर पे आपको सब डायग्राम अच्छी तरह प्रॉपरली ड्रॉ करना है विद द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एंड सबमिट इट टू मी. ओके बेटा, ओके स्टूडेंट, ठीक है. चलो नाउ लेट्स ड्रॉ द डायग्राम फॉर कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. to draw convex mirror. Image formed by first है when an object kept anywhere in front of convex mirror. है कहीं पे भी रखो इन फ्रंट ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. तो इसका सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर कहीं यहाँ पे होगा, समवेयर हियर. फोकस विल बी समवेयर हियर. So this is the pole of the mirror, this is the focus, and this is center of curvature. Now extend its principal axis. Our rule is we have to keep the object as per the Cartesian sign convention rule. We have to keep the object on the left side of the mirror. हमेशा लेफ्ट साइड में रखना है, मतलब जो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस है हमेशा नेगेटिव रहेगा. सो टेक दी एनीवेयर एल्स, कहीं पे भी रखो, सामने रखना है. तो मैं यहाँ पे लेता हूँ ऑब्जेक्ट को. तो दिस इज माई ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ हियर आल्सो यू कैन यूज द सेम रूल. टेक द फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट रे पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. तो पहला रे लूँगा मैं, दैट इज पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. So this is the point of incidence striking on the mirror. Okay student. Now this ray, this mirror, convex mirror act as a diverging mirror. वो क्या काम करता है? डाइवर्जिंग का काम करेगा. तो यहाँ पे कॉन्वर्ज नहीं होगा, राइट. तो दिस इज द इंसिडेंट रे which is going toward the mirror. Now it will get diverged, right. So again it will obey the law of reflection. At this point also it will obey the law of reflection. तो मैं क्या करूँगा यहाँ पे, पहले I will draw the normal drawn at the point of incidence which will pass through center of curvature. जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर में से जाएगी नॉर्मल. सो दिस इज द नॉर्मल ड्रॉन. दिस इज द नॉर्मल ड्रॉन. So whatever this angle of incidence, it will obey the law of reflection. Okay. Now to draw the diverging ray, to draw the reflected ray, that reflected ray appear to pass through focus on the other side of the mirror, second side of the mirror, on the right side of the mirror. तो हमको reflected ray इसी तरह draw करना है, so that that reflected ray appear to pass through focus, appear to pass through, not exactly pass, but appear to pass through focus. So again I will draw the, here I will take the reflected ray with the blue marker, okay, blue color. So this is my reflected ray which will appear to pass through focus. So with this dot dark line. So student, so this is the reflected ray, blue color, which is appear to pass through focus. Fine. Now the second incident ray. Now second incident ray I will take, which will strike at the pole of the mirror. जो second incident ray जो pole of the mirror पे strike होगा. Okay. So here take the second incident ray. Second incident ray which is striking at the pole of the mirror. Here also every point on the mirror it will obey the law of reflection. So whatever the angle of incidence, now this principal axis will act as a normal at the point P, at point P. So this will be the angle of incidence. Now we have to draw the reflected ray, right. It will be diverging case. So let's draw the reflected ray. The reflected ray will be here. I will take blue only. क्योंकि पहले हमने ब्लू लिया यहाँ पे. So I will take blue color. So let's draw the reflected ray. Make the same angle of reflection here. So this is the reflected ray, this direction. Okay. Now this reflected ray appear to come from this point. उसको extend करो आगे. Just extend in the backward direction with the dotted line. Dotted line. Now the point of intersection of these reflected rays, where these reflected rays appear to meet beyond a mirror or behind a mirror. So this is the location of image. Okay. So whatever the reflected rays appear to meet behind a mirror, so that will be the image location. So let's draw this image here. So how we get the image? What are the characteristics? Anybody? Yes, you can try. You can say let's write a characteristic. The first characteristic is it real or virtual? No, it is virtual. Why? Because the reflected rays appear to meet but not actually meet. These reflected rays appear to meet, so it is virtual. First characteristic is virtual. What about the inverted or erect? So it is looking the जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट रखा है, मान लो ये मार्कर ऐसे रखा है सीधा, तो इमेज भी वैसे ही मिलेगी, सीधे ही मिलेगी. तो इट इज इरेक्ट. सो इमेज इज इरेक्ट, नॉट इन्वर्टेड. थर्ड पॉइंट, ऑब्जेक्ट इज लार्जर, इमेज इज स्मॉलर. एक याद रखना है कंसेप्ट कि इन केस ऑफ कॉन्केव मिरर, इन केस ऑफ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, wherever you are keeping the object. मेरे पास है convex mirrors. Let me show you. I have a convex mirror. Now see this convex mirror. Wherever you are keeping the object, कितना भी दूर रखो, वो हमेशा पास में भी रखा तो भी the image formed by the convex mirror is always smaller than the object. आपके जो 4 व्हीलर 2 व्हीलर के साइड में जो रियर व्यू के लिए जो मिरर लगाया रहता है, आरसा लगा रहता है, मिरर आईना लगा रहता है, सो वो जो आईना है दैट इज द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. वाई? क्योंकि प्लेन मिरर क्यों नहीं यूज किया है? प्लेन मिरर अगर यूज किया तो विल नॉट एबल टू सी नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स बिहाइंड अवर व्हीकल, राइट. तो कॉन्वेक्स मिरर इसलिए यूज होता है कि पीछे के, अपने गाड़ी के पीछे कितने भी व्हीकल हो वो सब दिखते, ऑल द, मतलब इट कवर द वाइडर व्यू. पीछे वाला जो व्यू ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो कवर करता है बिकॉज ऑफ द स्फीरिकल मिरर, राइट. एंड ऑल दैट व्हीकल कैन सीन इन द स्मॉल मिरर that can be occupied. That's why the convex mirror used as a rear view mirror in vehicle, 4-wheeler or 2-wheeler, whatever it is. Got it? Not plane mirror. So here the image is diminish. Now the fourth point is where you will get a location. हमेशा याद रखना, you will get the image form always in between pole of the mirror and focus के बीच में ही इमेज मिलेगी, चाहे ऑब्जेक्ट कितना भी दूर हो. दिस इज द वन ऑफ द स्पेशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फॉर कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. सो इमेज विल फॉर्म बिटवीन पोल ऑफ द मिरर एंड फोकस. हो सकता है वो ज़्यादा पास में अगर आपने लिया तो शिफ्ट होगा वो, राइट. इट विल गो टूवर्ड द फोकस और टूवर्ड द पोल ऑफ द मिरर, लेकिन उसी के इसमें वो घूमता रहेगा, राइट. सो इन बिटवीन इमेज विल फॉर्म in between focus and pole of the mirror. What about magnification? Fifth point, m is always less than 1. Always less than 1. Always less than 1. Magnification by the convex mirror is always less than 1. Fine. ओके तो यहाँ पे अभी जो मैग्नीफिकेशन है नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव राइट वो भी कंसिडर करता है. अगर इमेज इज इन्वर्टेड तो मैग्नीफिकेशन विल बी नेगेटिव. इफ द इमेज इज इरेक्ट द मैग्नीफिकेशन इज पॉजिटिव. तो यहाँ पे जो मैग्नीफिकेशन है दैट इज लेस देन 1 बट पॉजिटिव. ओके यहाँ पे भी मैग्नीफिकेशन क्या है, इट इज़ ऑन दिस साइड तो इट इज़ पॉजिटिव. मैग्नीफिकेशन जो है पॉजिटिव, बाकी जगह सब जगह मैग्नीफिकेशन नेगेटिव आएगा. ओके फॉर रियल इमेज तो थोड़ा सा ग्लांस लिख लेंगे. विल राइट सम पॉइंट्स फॉर दिस. फर्स्ट कंडीशन, इफ m ग्रेटर देन 1, अगर मैग्नीफाइड इमेज मिल रही राइट, सो इट इज मैग्नीफाइड इमेज. m ग्रेटर देन 1 मतलब मैग्नीफाइड इमेज. Then m less than 1 diminished image. Then m is equal to 1. What is indicate? Image is same as that of the image size, same as that of object. Okay. Then m is positive. M is positive. It is image will be virtual and erect, that is positive. M is negative, it is real and inverted, right? So whenever you are getting image virtual or erect, the magnification always positive. Whenever you are getting image real and inverted, magnification always negative. So these are the few concepts in short for the characteristic of image. So take a screenshot for this. ओके तो आज बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट टाइम विल हैव दी सम न्यूमेरिकल बेस ऑन दिस. एक छोटा न्यूमेरिकल लेंगे एंड वी विल स्टार्ट द डिफेक्ट्स इन द स्फेरिकल मिरर. व्हाट आर द डिफेक्ट्स अकर इन द स्फेरिकल मिरर एंड दैट डिफेक्ट इज नोन एज द एबरेशन. हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, एबरेशन. डिफेक्ट इन द मिरर और लेंसेज इज कॉल्ड एज एबरेशन. दैट विल बी द स्फेरिकल एबरेशन. ओके सो चलो सी यू, गुड नाइट, have a good day, take care, bye bye.